In this video, you'll learn how to delete a database in Notion. The first way to delete a database is by clicking on the 6 dots next to it. When the menu opens, scroll down and select Delete. This option removes the database but keeps the page itself, so you can reuse the page later if you want. The second way is to hover your mouse over the database and click on the 3 dots that appear on the right side. From the menu, choose Move to Trash. This sends the entire database to the trash. To fully remove it, open the Trash tab in the sidebar. If the database doesn't appear right away, wait a few seconds or refresh the page. You can also use the search bar to find it faster. Once you find it in the trash, you can either leave it there to be automatically deleted after 30 days or delete it permanently right away. Just click on it, select Delete, and confirm. This is how you can quickly remove or completely delete a database in Notion. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and check out more Notion tips on this channel.